Hello everyone, are you up for a challenge? If yes, then this video is for you. Welcome to Prepared Leaders, and in this video, I will dare you to work for yourself for 6 months to help climb the ladder of success. I dare you to shut out the world. I dare you to shut out all the distractions. I dare you to give up everything that is keeping you from your dream. If you have a dream, don't just sit there. Get your ass up and make something happen. Sometimes you just have to move. Do something. Make a call. Reach out to someone. Google something. Learn something new. Write down what you need to do in order to make a better life for yourself. And be brave enough to do those things. I dare you to take a stand. Today, to say no more. I will no longer accept this as my life. I dare you to take action today. I dare you to write your goals down and get someone to hold you accountable. I dare you to hold yourself accountable. I dare you. I dare you to give up everything that is keeping you from your dream. To say no to all the negative influences. I dare you to pick up a book instead of a drink. I dare you to work harder than you think you did yesterday. I dare you to prove them wrong. I dare you to prove yourself right. I dare you to stand up as a man or as a strong woman, whoever you are, and declare that you are going to claim a bigger and better life for yourself. I dare you to make something happen this week, to take massive action this week. Drop everything and do something. I dare you to walk more than you talk. I dare you to do good for the sake of doing good. I dare you to tell anyone about it, to be kind for no reason. I dare you to spend time alone. I dare you to say no with pride. No bad habits. To negative people. To wrongdoing. I dare you to speak your truth. I dare you to dream big. Bigger than they told you was possible for your life. I dare you. And before we continue, I'll be giving you time to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. And let's continue. I dare you to walk your path, wherever that leads. Whatever they say. I dare you to lock the world out for a week and work on you. Work on your dreams. You are well and truly capable of living at a higher level. If you do or you don't, that's up to you. Ask yourself, am I happy with my life exactly as it is now? Am I happy staying where I am? If you don't like the answer, get to work. Work on yourself. Work harder than you think you've worked in the past. More discipline, higher standards, more self-respect, more boundaries, fewer BS, more forward, less backward, more positive, less negative. Only those who dare to go after the life most don't have will ever have the chance of living a life most will never have. Only those who dare to fight for a great life have the chance to live a great life. What's it going to take for you to change? What's it going to take for you to realize your potential? What's it going to take for you to be proud? Proud of the person you are. Proud of your effort. Proud of the person you have become. What is it going to take? Whether it's the fear of uncertainty, fear of public speaking, or fear of risk, all your fears keep you in the same position and prevent you from improving your life. Recognize that your fears reflect areas where you can grow, as they act as a compass pointing at areas that need attention. Waking up early has been acknowledged by many to improve your productivity and your quality of life. If you wake up early, you'll have time to dedicate to self-development before everyone else is up. You'll add extra time to your day, soak up the morning tranquility, and absorb the early morning sunlight that will help your brain switch into its active mode. A better you starts with being in better shape through physical activity. I set a point to jog at least 3 times a week for at least 30 minutes each time. Try to mix it up by doing different activities each day to prevent boredom and muscle strain. Everyone has flaws, but what's most important is to understand them, acknowledge them, and address them through self-improvement practices. What do you think are their flaws? What are the flaws you can work on now? How do you want to address them? Remember to do this with a sense of self-love. Do not look at your flaws in a self-critical or mean-spirited light. This is about finding areas you feel you can improve upon, or finding things that are wrong with you. Think about people you admire, people who inspire you. These people reflect certain qualities you want to have for yourself as you learn how to improve yourself. Some good habits to cultivate including reading books, waking up early, exercising, reading a new personal development article a day, and meditating. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, turn on the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new content. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in my next video.